Are you trying to pick a mirrorless camera that won't break the bank or overwhelm you? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a hand-picked list that balances performance, features, and value. Today, I'm going to be going over the best mirrorless cameras that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the Panasonic DMC-G85MK. From the outset, the G85MK seems aimed at enthusiasts seeking a versatile travel companion with reliable stabilization and approachable manual controls. Its rounded grip and compact frame complement a 3.0-inch tilting LCD, promising comfortable handling during long shoots while maintaining a rugged feel. The body construction benefits from weather sealing and a magnesium alloy top plate, delivering confidence even when shooting outdoors in challenging conditions. Despite its compact footprint, the camera feels surprisingly sturdy, with well-placed dials and clear tactile feedback during rapid adjustments. Under the hood, the Micro Four Thirds sensor delivers 16 megapixels of detail, paired with Panasonic's DFD focusing for responsive AF. Its 5-axis in-body image stabilization stabilizes up to 5 stops, significantly reducing handshake during handheld video and low-light duty. The contrast-based AF system covers a broad area with decent subject tracking, though speed rivals those in higher-end mirrorless models. Color rendition remains natural with pleasing skin tones, and the 0.74x electronic viewfinder complements a weather-sealed body for reliable outdoor shooting. Battery life is reasonable for casual days, though heavy video users may wish for an optional larger capacity or spare cells. In practical use, the G85MK handles general photography with ease, delivering reliable results across landscapes, portraits, and everyday travel scenarios. Video performance supports 4K footage with good detail and cinema-style color, though rolling shutter and autofocus can show occasional stutter. For travel and street photography, the compact size and thoughtful layout make it easy to carry all day without fatigue. Compared to the Sony ILCE-6400, the Panasonic DMC-85MK offers steadier stabilization and a more forgiving ergonomic grip, though autofocus trails. The pros include excellent IBIS, weather-sealed design, and ergonomic grip, delivering dependable performance across landscapes, portraits, and everyday travel shoots. The cons include autofocus struggles in low light and battery life shorter than rivals, which can frustrate fast-moving subjects under dim conditions. At number 4, we have the ILCE-7M3K. From the moment you pick it up, the camera feels approachable, combining friendly ergonomics with surprisingly robust core performance. Its target audience includes beginners, travelers, and vlog hobbyists who crave a balanced, portable system that delivers dependable results in varied light. The camera ships with guided modes and scene suggestions that reduce guesswork and accelerate learning curves for first-time users. For photographers who travel light, its modest footprint makes it viable as an everyday carry option without compromising image quality. Build quality feels solid thanks to a compact magnesium alloy chassis and reassuringly precise control dials that resist accidental nudges. The design balances a retro aesthetic with modern usability, featuring a comfortable grip and accessible rear screen for quick framing. Its dimensions stay compact while still offering a confident hold, enabling stability during handheld shots and continuous shooting in street scenarios. Technical details are clearly organized in menus, with a responsive touch interface and a quick control dial that aspiring shooters will appreciate. Standout features include reliable face detection autofocus, a bright electronic viewfinder, and a responsive touchscreen that supports accurate composition across angles. The camera's electronic viewfinder remains bright and clear, complementing fast AF and the rear touchscreen for precise, comfortable composition in all conditions. Low light performance holds up reasonably well for casual shooting, though noise increases at higher ISO compared to flagship models. Face detection autofocus maintains tracking in dynamic scenes, and the electronic viewfinder remains bright, aiding precise framing in brisk daytime shoots. When stacked against the Fujifilm X-S10, the EM10 Mark III trades raw speed for lighter weight and a friendlier price, favoring portability. The pros include compact design, excellent stabilization, and a user-friendly interface that lowers the learning curve, enabling quicker, more confident results. The cons include limited battery life and a small grip that can challenge ergonomics for users with larger hands. At number 3, we have the Sony ILCE-6400. This camera presents an approachable form factor with a confident grip, appealing to enthusiast hobbyists transitioning from smartphones towards serious imaging and video. Its 24.2MP APS-C sensor translates to crisp detail in everyday scenes, aligning perfectly with enthusiasts seeking tangible image quality from a compact body. Target audience includes content creators, travel photographers, and students who require reliable autofocus, solid build, and scalable video features for growing portfolios. The body uses a sturdy polycarbonate construction with a robust feel, while the magnesium top plate adds a premium touch. Dimensions stay compact for travel, and the textured grip improves ergonomics during extended shoots without sacrificing pocketable convenience. Button layout remains logical, with a tilting touchscreen, dedicated movie record button, and accessible control dials that suit fast shooting. Video capabilities include 4K recording with full pixel readout and color grading flexibility through S-Log profiles. Under the hood, a 24.2-megapixel sensor delivers crisp detail, while the Bionz X processor enables fast processing and color fidelity. Autofocus system uses 425 phase detection points with tracking that maintains subject focus across moving scenes, including real-time IAF for humans. Video capabilities include 4K recording with oversampled detail, full pixel readout, and S-Log gamma profiles for flexible color grading. ISO range and low light performance hold up well for nonchalant night shoots, aided by a clean image pipeline. 11 FPS continuous shooting helps capture fast action without excessive lag, though buffer clearing can temper relentless bursts. Compared to the Canon EOS R50, the Sony ILCE-6400 offers faster autofocus performance and a broader, accessible lens ecosystem. The pros include fast autofocus, excellent image quality, compact design, reliable battery efficiency, and a robust lens ecosystem for versatile shooting. The cons include limited battery life, no weather sealing, a modest native lens ecosystem, and slower startup processes in some modes. At number 2, we have the Canon EOS R50. From the moment you lift it, this entry-level mirrorless targets aspiring enthusiasts seeking approachable performance, compact ergonomics, and modern features. Its plastic composite body feels sturdy yet light, revealing thoughtful button placement and a compact footprint ideal for travel and everyday use. Measuring approximately 129 by 92 by 80 millimeters and weighing around 350 grams without a lens, it remains surprisingly portable for everyday shooting. It houses a 24.2-megapixel APS-C sensor and Canon's dual-pixel CMOS f2 for reliable focusing in changing lighting conditions. In real-world testing, autofocus maintains subject tracking across moving portraits and street photography, delivering precise exposure and natural skin tones. Battery life remains serviceable for a day's shoots with typical lenses, and USB-C charging supports convenient top-ups during limited travel. Compared to the Sony A6400, the R50 offers friendlier menus and improved color science, though Sony retains slightly stronger autofocus for demanding subjects. The pros include compact ergonomics, solid battery life, and reliable autofocus. The cons include higher price and limited lens selection. The electronic viewfinder is bright and responsive, while the vari-angle touchscreen provides flexible framing from low angles or high overhead shots. Video duty cycles extend to 4K oversampling from 6K data, enabling crisp detail, while Full HD slow motion performs reliably. Menu system and customization allow quick setup for photographers who switch between wildlife, portraits, and street photography easily. The grip is comfortable for extended sessions, though bulkier lenses can balance the overall feel and shift weight. In summary, the Canon EOS R50 offers approachable level performance with room to grow, making it ideal for beginners and creators seeking value. At number 1, we have the Sony ILCE-7M3K. From first handling, the camera conveys a premium sense of durability, balancing compact profile with substantial grip and intuitive control layout. For enthusiasts seeking a robust full-frame system, this model targets serious still shooters and video creators demanding reliable performance. Affordability within a premium class remains a consideration, yet its feature set often justifies the higher investment for growing creators. Constructed with a weather-sealed magnesium alloy body, the chassis resists environmental stress while maintaining a surprisingly light center of gravity. Compact dimensions stay friendly for travel, and a deep hand grip improves balance when switching between prime lenses and telephotos. Lens release feels crisp, the mount alignment is precise, and the weather sealing lines up with the body for confident outdoor work. Inside, the sensor paired with advanced processing enables 4K video at 30 frames per second with full pixel readout. Autofocus coverage spans broad area thanks to phase detect points distributed across the frame, responding quickly to moving subjects and low light. 5-axis in-body stabilization compensates up to 5 stops, complementing stabilized lenses and enabling handheld shooting with slower shutter choices. In real-world tests, fast AF acquisition and consistent exposure held up across diverse lighting, delivering dependable results in documentary and wildlife scenarios. Battery life reaches roughly 600 to 700 shots per charge in typical use, delivering dependable field performance over long shoots. Dual card slots streamline backup and transfer workflows during on-location assignments, reducing downtime and ensuring important shoots stay uninterrupted. Compared to the Canon EOS R6, the Sony ILCE-7M3K emphasizes autofocus reliability and battery efficiency, while the Canon edges ahead in color science. The pros include excellent autofocus performance across dynamic scenes, exceptionally long battery life for extended shoots, and versatile 4K video capabilities. The cons include high price and complex menu system, which can deter beginners while demanding time to master expansive controls and menus.